everyone, Keely here with Honda of Keene. I am back again. Now I am here with the 2020 Honda CR-V LX. Here in the 2020 Honda CR-V LX, you get a 190 horsepower inline 4-cylinder engine with a turbocharger. You get a continuously variable transmission with sport mode and idle stop, and you get up to 32 miles per gallon. Here on the exterior, you get multi-reflector halogen headlights with auto on-off. You get 17-inch alloy wheels. You get power side mirrors, a remote entry system, and up to over 75 cubic feet of cargo space. Here on the interior, you get a 5-inch LCD color screen with high-resolution electrostatic touchscreen, customizable feature settings, and a compass. You get Bluetooth hands-free link with streaming audio and Pandora compatibility. You get a 160-watt audio system with 4 speakers, USB audio interface, and over 105 cubic feet of passenger space. The 2020 Honda CR-V LX also comes with Honda Sensing safety features, which gives you some awesome tech, like collision mitigation braking system, road departure mitigation system, lane keeping assist system, and so much more. So if you're thinking about the CR-V, the 2020 LX might be the perfect trim level for you, so come on down to Honda of Keene, 567 Monadnock Highway in Swansea, New Hampshire, or visit us online at hondaofkeene.com. We cannot wait to work with you. Happy car shopping.